Scaling the width of a font is easy to do with Word's formatting capabilities. Scaling the height of the fonts is not so easy, but can be accomplished. Here's how to do it. Word makes it easy to change the horizontal scale of a font. All you have to do is use the Scale control on the Advanced tab of the Font dialog box. You click this little icon in the bottom of the font group right here. That displays the font dialog box. And over on the Advanced tab, you can see that there is a Scale control. That's what controls the horizontal scale of a font. We'll come back to that in just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and click on Cancel now. That control that we looked at just a minute ago only affects the horizontal scale. The vertical height of the font remains exactly the same. Now, it's interesting that Word does not provide any corresponding method to change the vertical scale of a font without affecting the width. There is a way around this disparity, however. You can play with the font size and adjust the horizontal scale negatively. For instance, consider this text on the screen. As you can see, it's the Aptos typeface, and it's set to be 12 points. I'm going to go ahead and select just a little bit of text right here. Let's say that we wanted this text to be 25% taller than what it appears on the screen right now. But I don't want the width to be changed on that text. Well, the easiest way to do that is to go ahead and select the text just like this, and then enlarge the font size to 15 points. Now, the way that I calculated this size is by multiplying 12, which is the current font size, by 1.25. That increases the size by 25%. So all I have to do is right up here, I'm going to say 15. And when I hit enter, you can see that it made that text larger on the screen. It made it taller because I increased the font size of the text. Now I'm going to go ahead with this still selected, and I'm going to display that font dialog box that we saw just a moment ago. The Advanced tab is still selected. What I'm going to do is specify a scaling of 80%. Now, the way that I calculate that is I take the default scaling, which is 100%, and I divide that by 1.25. That gives me the 80. So it's 80% is what I want in here. And now I'm going to click on OK and watch what happens to the font on the screen itself. Notice that it looked more mooshed together. It only adjusted the horizontal scale of that font. It didn't affect the height of it at all. We affected the height by changing the font size just a little while ago. We now have a font that is the same width as its base font, but it's the desired height. The key is to multiply the base font size by whatever percentage you want. We did 25% in this case. And then divide the full size scale setting, which is always 100, by the same percentage. Depending on the font, you may need to play with the sizing just a bit to get the desired effect, but this approach should work in all instances. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.